Hey folks, it's Cal. So this is a clutch, obviously, but this is more than just any clutch. This is an XClutch twin plate, which I purchased for my Legnum VR4 because I have a single plate heavy duty clutch in there right now from Exedy, Exedy, I don't know, which I find very hard, very heavy. So this is a twin plate clutch. But thanks to a review by MotoIQ on YouTube, which I watched and found rather interesting, is that this twin plate system has a lot less rattle than a standard twin plate. And it's all to do with what these things are. These are called a strap drive. And what they do is they minimize the rattle that you get when you engage the clutch with your foot. But otherwise, I would assume it's similar to many other twin plates. Being a twin plate, it is organic clutches. So I'm going to not turn all these over. I'll turn that one over so you can just see the surface, but the rest of these I'll keep upright. So you see the first plate here is locked in. We remove that. Then we have the second pressure plate right there, and finally the last friction plate. This is a Evo flywheel layout, which means if you have a VR4 you will need a spacer and longer bolts that go behind here that appropriately space out the flywheel so that it engages with your starter motor. I've already got that on mine because my current clutch setup is a Evo clutch setup. This clutch, as it is rated to 1,000 Newton meters of torque at the flywheel. My car puts out something 500-ish right now. I don't think it's any more than that at the moment. Most I've seen or heard about is 800, which apparently was bonkers, and the guy who did that has toned his car down. But there are others who are probably doing this. So yeah, I'm looking forward to this. That lighter pedal feel, bit more ability to drive in traffic and get a more consistent clutch engagement for taking off at the lights if I don't want to absolutely dump the clutch. And of course, I'll video it, so stand by for that.